Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today I'm making one of my favorite cuts of meat that exists out there, and that's for a few reasons. A, it's one of the most cost-effective. This piece of meat we're going to be smoking today only costs a little over $5. That's right, and it's going to be incredible. Also very, very flavorful, and just an incredible thing to cook with. So we're going to smoke a boneless pork loin roast. And we're going to do a nice little garlic herb rub on it. It's going to be great. Can't wait for that either. And of course, we're going to be doing it right here on the Pit Boss, so can't wait to show you this process. So hey, let's get started. All right, here we have our nice boneless pork loin roast. Now, not to be confused with a tenderloin, that's a different piece of meat. This is actually just pork loin. And you'll know that because this is wider and it's not nearly as kind of small and round as a tenderloin would be. Now this is tied, you can see the butcher did that, which I'm very thankful for. But I'm gonna go around and just take any loose pieces of fat off, such as this. This is kind of optional, I guess. I mean, you're not gonna eat it anyway, but I like to do it anyway. This is going to be part of your fat cap right here, which is already trimmed down pretty heavily, so I'm not really worried about that. Honestly, this thing looks really good already. All right, so we'll set this to the side. All right, now let's make our little garlic herb rub we're going to put on. Now, obviously, use fresh ingredients when you can, but today, in the interest of simplicity, I'm going to be using a lot of dried herbs. I'm going to start with a little Dijon mustard. Not that much. That's going to serve also as a binder. Next, we're going to add some minced garlic. Again, this is dried. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons. Next, I'm going to add sort of an herb blend. Now, this is from like a local spice shop, but it's just all dried herbs. So you got rosemary, you got thyme, oregano, stuff like that. So it's just an herb blend, but again, use your own stuff if you've got it. And I do want a decent amount of this in there, because after all, the herb is sort of the star of the show. All right, a little bit of kosher salt, about a tablespoon of pepper, and then finally about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcester. I have a forever battle with that word. Mix. There we go. Now, it doesn't look like much right now, but trust me, it's gonna be next level. Now let's bring our guy back over here, and now we'll just kind of spoon that on like so, and I'll use my gloved hand to just massage that on. You want it on all sides and areas that are exposed of this pork. All right, and just like that, we're done with this part. Again, I know it doesn't look like much, but just wait. All right, that's all we're gonna do to it. Let's talk about how we're going to smoke it. All right, I'm smoking this pork roast today on the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx edition. It's available exclusively at Walmart. You gotta go check out all of the Pit Boss Onyx line of all. Let's try that one more time. You gotta check out the entire line of Pit Boss Onyx edition pellet grills and smokers. Today I'm smoking at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and at that temperature, it's gonna take about 1.5 to 2 hours for this pork roast to be done. So I'm looking for an internal temp of about 140 degrees. It's gonna carry over cook to 145 once I take it off, and that's gonna be my perfect temperature. And I'll be monitoring that temperature using the included meat probes that came with the Savannah. As far as the pellets go today, I'm using the Pit Boss Hickory Blend. Really, really great wood for pork. You really can't go wrong with hickory when you're doing a pork dish. And I'm gonna go on this rack here, only because I don't want it to be right at the heat source, which is just below it. This is gonna help it to cook more evenly and just make sure that all sides have enough aeration to get a good amount of smoke. And now just insert that meat probe right in the middle. There we go. And that's it. We'll see you when it's ready. All right, and right on cue, 2 hours, exactly. Look at that. Whew, man, that looks good. The smell is amazing. And I'm so happy with how this turned out. The color is beautiful, so happy with that. All right, so let's let this rest for just a little bit, and then we'll come back, we'll slice into it. All right, the resting period is complete, and I can just tell this is gonna be insanely juicy. So I'm gonna start by removing this twine, and look at that. Look at that, that is perfect, perfect. Nice little smoke ring there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be great. All right, my friends, it is time to try this incredible looking pork. Oh my gosh, it's so juicy. I can just see from right here. It's glistening. So here we go. Smoked pork loin roast with that delicious garlic herb rub. Oh my god. Holy smokes. Yes, I have to say it. Holy smokes. That. It's tender. So much flavor. You know, growing up, we used to have like pork chops and just drown them in barbecue sauce. This pork roast, there's enough seasoning in just that rub that you don't need anything else with it. You don't need to dip it. You don't need to sauce it at all. Listen, with the holidays coming up, you can definitely count on this for something that you can make cheap that's also incredibly delicious and people will love. And you can use dried herbs just like I did. You don't have to use fresh, but you can use dried herbs and it's still gonna be great. Thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like what you saw today, make sure that you click that thumbs up. That's really gonna help us out here and help people find the channel. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Why wouldn't you want to? You'll be one of the first people to know as soon as we post new stuff. And for all of my videos involving pork, check out this pork playlist. It's gonna include so many great videos of some delicious stuff that we've cooked here outdoors on the smoker, and I'll see you next time.